Welcome to my channel. Today, guys, we have an amazing video for you guys, man. We're gonna be kind of watching this kind of video that I briefly talked about before in my other video, which was how to stay motivated gradually, right? This was a pretty good video. I received pretty good responses on that. So I decided to kind of 'cause I briefly showed this video, right? I'm saying I'll be reacting to this video for you guys, man, so we can kind of see what the message. I don't know if you guys clicked on it or went to watch it, or right. So I'm gonna pretty much kind of watch it together, right, and then I'll also be reacting to it, right. So this will be fun. Let's go ahead and I'll see what's up, right. Let's play.
Nobody's born smart. We all start at zero.
Yep.
Can't talk, can't walk, certainly can't do algebra.
That's true, man. I'm saying we all start at the same spot where we're a kid. I'm saying, um, yeah. So what he's saying is probably gonna make a lot more sense. I'm saying, like, as the video goes on, right? I'm saying, yeah, I kind of agreed a little bit of that fact, right? We all start at zero, but some people, I'm saying, are more talented in certain areas than others, right? So we have to kind of address that as well, right? I'm saying, but that's can't stop you from being, I'm saying, good at whatever you try to do. I'm saying, so let's kind of see what Zoe's gonna do.
Adding, reading, writing, riding a bike. Nobody's good at anything at first.
That's true. It's true. It's true. Even though some people might be more talented, I'm saying, there doesn't mean that they necessarily just are. They're born being good, say, like, I'm saying, like doing some sort of stuff, right. It might, as they practice, it might become easier to them, what I'm saying, right. But yeah, it's not like people are born, I'm saying, just born to know calculus, right. No, it's not usually the case, right. It's not like that, right. So something that, I'm saying, with deliberate practice, right, you become good at it, right. It's kind of how it is, what I'm saying.
There was a time when Einstein couldn't count to 10.
That's true, right. There was a time Einstein couldn't count to 10, guys, right. He's saying pretty interesting stuff, right.
And Shakespeare had to learn his ABCs just like the rest of us. Thankfully, we're born to learn.
I love that, man. We're born to learn as humans, guys. We're born to learn. We're born to learn about our environment, learn about the world, learn about everything, guys, right? Our whole life is about learning new stuff, right? I'm saying you learn so much stuff, guys, from the time you were born to the time that you are now, right? You learn so much stuff, guys. I'm saying it's that constant hunger for learning, guys, right? That keeps us going in the world, right? I'm saying that keeps us, like, it's the reason to live, guys. You gotta think about it, right? Learning is definitely a good thing, guys, right? I'm saying I always try to learn new stuff, new languages, new stuff, or new topic, new concepts, right? Because it kind of keeps me motivated with life. If you kind of really think about it, I'm saying it is.
Slowly, surely, you stumble, slip, crawl, fall, and fail, and fall. Frustrating, confusing, trying.
Yeah, I love this part, guys, right? What he's saying right there really makes a lot of sense, guys, because this is, you get, when you're learning a new concept, guys, right? I'm saying it normally, guys, right? I'm saying it is extremely difficult, extremely frustrating, especially, if it's not really clicking. You keep doing things over and over, right? And it's just not going the way you want it to go. You can't learn it. It seems almost impossible, as if since you cannot get over this hurdle. I'm saying, like, this is one of the videos I don't know if I told you guys I watched this whenever, I'm saying, I've been watching this video since high school. Actually, this is gets me going through it got me through high school, got me through college, right. So it got me through my, I'm saying, when I first started my job at where I'm at right now, right. It kind of helped me, I'm saying, to stay motivated, knowing that it's part of the process, right. I'm saying you're gonna encounter, guys, right, difficulties. I'm saying learning new stuff that you've never, like, seen before, never understood, right. It's kind of like you're gonna get frustrated and get like, man, like, you're gonna get to a point, man, it's impossible, I'm too dumb for this. I cannot. I'm saying only smart people are supposed to learn this topic. I'm saying, as if this topic is only reserved for people who are geniuses, what I'm saying. And this can be the case, guys. Most of the topics that you probably encounter, right? Because a lot of people, like you and I, right, they're average people, they were able to overcome and learn whatever topic that you're trying to learn, guys. What I'm saying, this is the mindset you need to have in mind. What I'm saying, it's not the only, the main thing is that learning new stuff really takes time, guys. I'm saying it's gonna be frustrating. You're not gonna learn. You're not gonna get it right away. I'm saying it's like, when you first started doing LeetCode, right? Like Tucson, for example, right? Almost seemed like it's impossible. Like, how could anyone? I'm saying, like, but as you learn more and more, right? So okay, things are starting to make sense, right? Starting at first LeetCode, man, there's so much concept that needs to be covered for you to master, God, right? Uh, it almost feels like impossible, I'm saying, but by time and patience, guys, right? Discipline, you can overcome that, right? I'm saying.
Trying, struggling, until one day you walk. One foot in front of the other,
I like that. One foot in front of the
one
other,
idea on top of
one idea on top of the next, right?
the next, each wrong answer making your brain
Exactly. One idea on top of the other, each wrong answer making your brain a little bit stronger, right? So those things that he's saying right there, guys, say it's kind of it's a phase, guys. I'm saying it's a phase. You go through the initial phase of, and I'm saying, like, guys, this is impossible. I'll never be able to learn this, right? And you get to, okay, this is no. As you start to put ideas, like small ideas on top of the other, right? So, this is not as bad as I thought, right? This is actually kind of doable, actually, right? You're starting to climb that the monster that seemed to be impossible. Right? You're trying to overcome it. You're trying to get over that mountain, right? I'm saying, see, I like this imagery right there, which shows you that you really uh the concept that seemed like an idea, I'm saying, seemed like a huge mountain that it cannot be, I'm saying, you can't climb it, right? And you finally get to climb it, you get to be at the top of the mountain, guys, right? So this is a very good to illustrate the idea that he's trying to show, what I'm saying.
a little bit stronger.
Yeah, I'm saying each wrong answer really kind of, assuming, I'm saying that the mistakes that you make, right, should pretty much be learning opportunities, not, for you to feel like a failure, feel like, oh my gosh, you're not worthy, you know what I'm saying. It should be that you are feeling, I'm saying that, oh, okay, see, I made that mistake, see, I did, okay, cool. It's like doing a liquor problem, you get them wrong, okay, we'll see, what was I doing? Why was I getting it wrong? What was my thought process? What, they learn that, okay, now for any subsequent problems that relates to that, right, it needs to have this kind of thing, right? I know what to do because I've learned from my mistake, right? I'm saying I'm getting better over time. Slowly but surely, guys, you're making progress, right? This is what the mistake is, what I'm saying. The mistakes, you learn from mistakes and you keep making progress, what I'm saying. Keep putting in the work, guys. It's gonna help you out, I'm saying. Putting in the work now is gonna give you dividends in the future. I'm saying, this is what I'm saying, guys. It's very important that you don't give up. Don't give up too early, guys. I'm saying. Yeah.
Failing is just another word for growing, and you keep going. This
I like that, guys, right? I like that.
failing is just another word.
I like that. Failing is just another word for growing, guys, right? So this is very important, right? As I'm saying, this is the key takeaway of this video, guys. The growth mindset, guys, right? That the growth mindset is that something that, if I remember correctly, I would say that that you might not know something now, right? But you know that, okay, by working hard and, you know what I'm saying, and doing the things that are required, right? You can learn that concept, right? You know what I'm saying, it's not like your brain is static, you know what I'm saying. I think I've read somewhere the brain can create new connections, reshaped, and things like that, right? So your brain can pretty much, you know what I'm saying, like, you can have that growth mindset. You can learn stuff, you can learn complex stuff, you can rewire your brain. You know what I'm saying, obviously I'm not a brain expert, right? But I'm saying you can do those things, right? It is doable. Good growth mindset, guys. That's the kind of I'm saying attitude that you need to go through. What I'm saying, the mindset that this is, I have the growth mindset, I'm saying, and that I don't know it now, but I know I'm gonna learn it eventually. I'm gonna learn it. I'm gonna get it eventually. It's gonna click, right? So, and the failing, guys, are always should be learning opportunities, I'm saying, because we a leak code, I have a series where I normally read kind of the stories of people that received offers from, like, Google, Facebook of the world, or I'm saying all those big companies, right? I'm saying we see their story, we see their successes, right? I'm saying, and it kind of maybe give you an illusion that they've only know they those people have also shared their failures, guys, right? Their lowlights, right? How they have failed a lot of um they have failed many times before they've learning their dream offers at their dream companies, guys, right? So this is what I'm trying to tell you guys, right? That uh it is gonna be the journey, right? It's gonna be very hard, very difficult, guys, right? I'm saying, and that's just part of the game, right? And you should be ready for it, guys, right? Don't give up too early, guys. I'm saying. So yeah, man. So I've heard data somewhere that, like, people that get to Facebook and Google, right? I'm saying they failed prior to that, right? And then they probably get around the second time around, I'm saying, or whatever time after, right? That's when they were to get in, guys. There's a good percentage of them that's how they were to get in, guys. What I'm saying. So this is just to give you a perspective of how things are, right? So yeah, man. Let's kind of see what it says,
Word for
guys.
growing, and you keep going. This is learning. Knowing that you'll get it, even if you haven't gotten it yet.
Exactly what I was saying, guys. Knowing that you'll get it, right? Even if you don't get the particular topic yet, guys, right? So this is very I'm saying, man. Like, just for any topic, if you watch this video for any topic that you're having trouble with, right, should be good, guys.
Because the most beautiful, complex concepts in the whole universe are built on basic ideas that anyone, anywhere, can understand.
Yeah, man. The most beautiful, complex topic that you can have, right? I'm saying, built on basic ideas that anyone anywhere can understand, guys. So this is a very good thing that he's saying. Think of the union finds, the theoretical story, dynamic programming, right? All the hard concept that seem like, man, this is just reserved only for the smart geniuses of the world, right? I'm saying that's not the case, guys, right? You and I can learn those topics, I'm saying, because they're made, like he said, basic ideas that anyone can understand, guys. So you just need to put in the work, guys. It's hard work, but it's worth it, guys, right? Really by doing this can really help you out a lot in life, guys. So yeah, let's see what's up.
Whoever you are, wherever you are, you only have to know one thing. You can learn anything.
I like that. You can learn anything. That's the only thing you need to know, guys, right? You can learn anything, right? It might be difficult, it might be hard right now, but that's the name of the game, guys, right? So do not give up and keep going, keep doing your thing, right? So yeah. So I wanna, man, this is a pretty great video. I really like it a lot. This is one of the videos, like I said, whenever I encounter topics that seems impossible to overcome, right? I just come back to this and I watch this video, guys, right? So I would advise you guys do the same, guys, what I'm saying. So this is a very good video, what I'm saying. If you guys really like the video, man, go ahead and give me a like and subscribe to the channel if you're new here, guys, right? Help support a small time YouTuber like myself, guys, and we get some exposure. Please, guys, consider subscribing. If you guys have anything you guys want me to react to, or any problem you guys want me to do, let me know that in the comment section. I'll do that. And yeah, I will say thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.